In 1994, Florida jewelry designer Diana Deuser discovered what she believed to be the Virgin Mary's image in a grilled cheese sandwich, which she preserved and later auctioned for $28,000. Have you ever looked at the clouds and thought you saw a face staring back? Or maybe your toast seemed to smile at you? This phenomenon is called pareidolia, where humans perceive familiar patterns, particularly faces, in random objects. It's a quirk of our brains, but can artificial intelligence experience this too? Today, we'll dive into AI's journey into pareidolia and uncover what it means for the future of machine learning. Pareidolia is deeply ingrained in human evolution. Spotting faces or animal shapes quickly could have been the difference between life and death for our ancestors, whether identifying a hidden predator or hunting prey. But it's not just a survival trait, it's also tied to human creativity. What about AI? Can machines be trained to spot these illusions too? In a groundbreaking study, researchers at MIT's CSAIL created a large data set to explore AI's ability to detect faces in inanimate objects. They meticulously gathered over 20,000 images from various sources and narrowed them down to a data set of 5,000 human-labeled images. These images showed pareidolia at work, objects that to humans clearly resembled faces. Initially, the AI models struggled to detect these illusory faces. Unlike us, machines aren't naturally wired to see faces where there aren't any. But then the researchers made an intriguing discovery. When AI was trained on animal faces, it became significantly better at detecting pareidolic faces. The researchers also identified what they called the Goldilocks Zone of Pareidolia. It's the sweet spot where there's just the right amount of visual complexity for both humans and machines to perceive a face. Too simple, and there's nothing to latch onto. Too complex, and it becomes visual noise. This has fascinating implications for how we design AI systems. Think of self-driving cars, for instance. Ensuring that facial recognition software is fine-tuned to avoid false positives could make these systems more reliable. And in product design, knowing how AI sees faces could help manufacturers create friendlier, more approachable products. The MIT team plans to push the boundaries of pareidolia even further. They're developing algorithms that could allow AI to not only recognize pareidolic faces, but also describe them. This could lead to more human-like interactions with AI in fields like art, design, and even psychology. So, can machines spot faces in inanimate objects? With the right training, the answer is yes. But unlike humans, AI's ability to see these faces comes from a combination of learning and clever algorithm design, offering us a glimpse into how artificial intelligence could one day understand our world in more human ways. The next time you see a face in the clouds, remember, an AI might be seeing it too.